Who's doing this? Who eats your ears?
What do you want me to take a picture of? Are you harassing our child?
Yes. Yes, yes.
Oh, so good. Dumbo, we're gonna go flying Monday.
Oh. Yeah, look how funny you look.
Now you're gonna have to get her the book. Dumbo, we're flying out.
Yeah. There you go. Stop looking at me like I'm weird, kid.
Two Matt from Mom and Dad.
It's nice that she opens it for you, Matt. Oh, Matt, look, they got your blanket.
Tree skirt? No.
I don't think that's for me, Chris.
It says to Matt from Mom and Dad.
What is that?
It's probably a tree
I
skirt.
think it's a tree skirt, isn't it?
Hucky.
I think it's a tree skirt. Oh, that's adorable.